Okay, I hope you managed to get a copy of the handouts printed. If you didn't manage to get it printed, it's okay, because the handout questions we're going to go through are very easy to just do on your physics notebook instead of having a handout. And I'll give you a handout when school reopens, okay? So if you look at this, so this is the handout. Again, you have the learning objectives here. The first question we're going to do, we're only going to do question 1 now, learning objective 1, which is you need to know how to draw the pattern of the magnetic field due to currents in straight wires and in solenoids, and state the effects of magnetic fields, of changing the magnetic field, or the direction of the current. Okay, so we're looking at specifically straight wires now. So this is straight wires, learning objective 1. Draw magnetic field patterns surrounding the conducting wires below. So please try this on your own first. Try to see if you can remember based off the lesson. If not, actually the answers are also in the lesson, but I'm going to draw it for you anyway. So pause the video, try if you haven't tried it yet. Okay, so X, remember X marks the spot, so X means it's going into the paper, or you see the tail of the arrow is flying away from you. So this is going into the paper, right hand grip rule, into the paper, fingers coil around in this direction, so fingers are coiling around in this direction, right? Like in this direction, okay? So draw circles, Okay, best is if you have a compass, okay? I can't really do this. Okay, circles in this direction, right? So it's in the clockwise direction, right? Let me try to draw a better circle. Okay, so clockwise. Whoops. Yeah. Okay, draw another circle close to it. So remember the field is getting weaker and weaker as you go further and further apart, further and further away from the wire. So what you want to try to do is, you know what, you need a compass to do this properly, okay? So please go and get a compass. So you want to draw them starting to get further and further apart as you go further away. Okay, I would say maybe 4 is a good number to draw to show that it is clearly getting further and further away. Concentric circles, so I think you really need a compass to do this. Okay, you really need a compass to do this and do this well. Okay, so it's further, it's closer, yeah, further apart as you go further away. This one, it's going coming out of the paper. Okay, it's coming out of the paper, so it's opposite direction. So this is going counterclockwise. Right, next circle, draw it kind of closer, start to go further away, and the last one, just draw it really big. Okay, yeah, I think 4 is a good number to show that you know what you're doing and you're going further and further apart. Okay, I know they look very different, but both are okay. Okay, because the main thing is you have the direction of the field, which is super important. Okay, firstly, that they are concentric circles, the directions are all indicated clearly, and the space is getting further and further apart. Okay, but as long as I see this, no matter what your drawing looks like, it's correct. All right. I'll see you back in the next video.